Hi guys, welcome to the next video of this Linux tutorial series. In this video, we're gonna discuss the command. Let me give the command name very quickly. The command name called woo. So as name suggests, woo means con in Hindi. So which users are logged in or like multiple information we can get from the woo command. Now what are those information? So let me give you those information first. It will tell users uh, that are currently login to system first thing, or secondly, not currently, maybe we can get the whole list of users those logged in, maybe currently or maybe in past. We can get a list of those users also. Second thing, we can get a run level of system. Now, if you want separate video what is run level in system, I will make it. But if not, then for your reference, I will list down one blog. You can rate that out. Third thing it will list out is the time when the system booted. Basically, when the last system booted, multiple things it will tell. So in this video only we're gonna see the demo that I told you from the last few videos, that how Linux is and uh, multi OS or multi user operating system that we're gonna see by this command. This is the right time to check uh, what I'm saying with the proof. And we're gonna discuss multiple options of woo, but let me give you the syntax first of woo command. So woo command, the command name, then options we have. Basically this is all about this. Now let me move to the system and let's check what all those information will it give us to us, the woo command. So I'm typing woo. It's giving me the first something, then second column, third column, and fourth column. It's harder for me to understand. Yes, I know Linux, it's easy to understand for me. Like first is the username, second is the TTY terminal name, third is the date and time, and fourth is the some number. Now but it's harder for the new learners to read this thing. That's why we have an option in the woo command. So let's start with me the first option, that is capital hyphen H. So it will show the headers of column. So let's do this, and as soon as I press hyphen H, you will see a difference. Same command, same thing, but with some headers. See, now it's easily understandable that it's some name of some user. Line means like what is the terminal that user is logged in, at what time that user last logged in. So it's like Indian IST time, and then some comments of that user. This is a very first option of woo command. Second, if you want to see that when the last system is booted, then hyphen B is the option to check when system get booted last time. So uh, let's do it quickly. So it's saying the system is booted on this date at this time. Basically, if I check the current time, it's the same date, but the time is very different. Now, let me discuss the another options with you. Till the time I want to show the demo of this booted system thing. So init6 is a command to reboot a system. So the system is getting rebooted, and as soon as the system gets booted again, and when we log into it, so this time what we expect is we will expect the time changes of the system booted basically. So that's all I want to show you with the woo command. And we can use multiple options in woo, but let's see them one by one. So system is booting. I guess it's booted almost last 1 to 2 seconds. It be booted. So it's taking too much of time. Come on, let's discuss the next option till time. So the third option or the third use case I told you, foo command, we can leverage that with option hyphen R. So what it will tell is it will tell us a run level of system basically. As discussed, it will tell a boot time, it will tell a run level things, and it will shows the users that are currently logged in. So the users that are currently logged in, that is our next option. How we can use, or which option we can use to see this, that's the next part. But let's see the system booted or not. So it's taking time. So I'm just pausing video for a second. So yep, we can start after that. Yep, so it's booted up, and if we log in, we are logging with the root user. Now, if I open the terminal and if I show you the boot time of the system when the system is last booted up, so now we can see it's almost nearby to the current time what we have now. Because before, if you saw, it's some around in the morning time basically. So let me open my terminal very quickly. Now, if I show you -d, see, it's almost the current time. See, a 2 minute before the system get booted up. Now, if I show you the run level, then it's run level 5, and the time is this. Now, what run level is basically how many times you are running this booting the things again and again, some kind of this. You can read it more about. Now, the next option is the option called -a. So, what -a option will do is -a option will display all the informations. Let me write here. -a will display all the information of current logged in user. Multiple information it will show to us. So let's move it and see. So if I do -a and see, it's showing multiple information of current user. So system booted on this timing, run level is this, and the root user. Now again, it's confusing for me. So what I can use is we can use multiple options together, like hyphen capitalize I will use. It will show a header column. See the name it's giving me. So line means kind of the description. So system booted on this time, run level is this, and then it's a name of the user, on which terminal they logged in, at what time they last logged in, they are idle or not, what is the PID, something like that. Everything we can, every information of current logged in user we can get by this option called who-a. See, now if you write who-s, let me show you. This is who and who-s. So uh, the default option that is running, if we are not passing anything, then the default option running in the background is -s. So who is equals to who-s. This command are exactly same, giving the same output. You can compare also. See, every single line is same between both the command. Now the next option I want to discuss with you is let me write here. So -l will print the system login process basically. So let me show this to you. If I do who-l, it's not giving us anything because the processes or the init processes are not there. But if you want to check the dead processes in who, then the option is who-d. Again, there is no dead process, that's why it's not showing us anything. But yeah, we can use this -l -d option. Now the next option I'm gonna discuss is -u. So what -u will do is it will give us a list of all the logged in users to system. Not matter they are currently active or not, but maybe sometime before in the past they logged in the system, do their task and again log out. So it will give us a whole list. So if I want to show you, see, only root is showing now because no system No other user logged into the system except then root. Now, how we can leverage the power of multi-user operating system? So in your system, what you can do is you can do Alt plus Control plus your function keys, maybe F2, F3, F4. You can press this and it will automatically give you a new terminal. At that terminal, it's your choice. You want to log in with root or you want to log in with other user in your system. In the last video, I also showed you that there are multi-user operating system. Linux is means at one terminal we have multiple terminals. At one terminal, one user can log in at a time. That means if you want to log in multiple user, then we need multiple terminal, multiple console. And to switch around between these terminals, we use this shortcut. So let me show it to you. As soon as I press that shortcut, you will see a different black screen kind of thing will come automatically. See, now I can log in with root and I press Alt Control F2. Now what I'm pressing Alt Control F3. Here I'm login with my other username. See again what it's showing is again it's showing TTY to login, and again I if you go to Control Alt Control F2 it shows that login on colon 0 terminal. Now if I go to Control F4, then again I will log into with some another user or maybe the same user. Again on TTY3, again I want to go back to my main screen and Alt Control F1 is the option. See, now if you want to see the all the login user in your system, in this who-u you only see root, but now we logged in with multiple users at multiple terminals, so you can see root is logged in at column 0 and root is currently on this white terminal. This white terminal is named with PTS 0. So what is it, TTY, TTY3, all of this is, let me show you. So PTS slash 0 is the main terminal that we got once we boot our system and where we log in first time, or the first screen basically. That is a white screen. We are seeing the GUI screen. And column 0 is normally when we shift with Alt Control and F2. Same for F3 we have TTY2. This is the nothing but the name of terminal basically. So PTS 0 means is the name of terminal that we got first time when we logged in, or the first screen when we got after the system booting or OS booting. TTY2 means the terminal we got with the shortcut called, let's say, Alt and Control F3 in our sense. They may differ system to system or distribution of Linux. But yeah, TTY, T2, TTY3, these are nothing but the name of terminal. So as you can see, the user this logging at two terminals, TTY4 and this TTY2. Now if I show you, I am going Alt Control F3. See, dverma is login on TTY2. It's written here. If I go to Alt Control F4, it's showing TTY3. If I go to F2, column 0 root is login. Again F1. So what it's showing is, see, column 0, TTY2, root, TTY3 and TTY4, these users are logged in. Now if you want to see all the count, not the details but only the count, but before that I will show you how we can leverage the power of header here also. So these are the line, time, idle or not, PIDs, everything is there. But now if you want to show the count only, that how many users are logged in, so hyphen q is option. Total 5 users are logged in, 3 are with the root and 2 with the name dverma at different terminals.